Welcome to Study Loop.
To find the 99.5% confidence interval for estimating the population mean mu, we can use the t-distribution since the population standard deviation is not known and we have a small sample size. So given the sample size of 9, the sample mean, if you add them all up and divide by 9, you get 61.02. And the sample standard deviation of 20.27. Degrees of freedom would be 9 minus 1, or 8. And so we want a 99% confidence interval. We need to find the critical value that corresponds to a cumulative probability of 0.995 and degrees of freedom of 8. Using a t-distribution table or calculator, the critical value is about 3.355. Now we want to calculate the margin of error. The margin of error is given as the critical value times the standard deviation of the sample, square root of the sample size. And so that's going to be 3.355 times 20.27 over the square root of 9. So we'll have 3.355 times the standard deviation over the square root of 9, which is 3. We get about 22.67. I'm going to keep full answers in the calculator though, as it's instructing. So the lower limit would be the mean minus the margin of error, and the upper limit would be the mean plus the margin of error. And then we're going to 2 decimal places. Okay, so the mean minus the margin of error would be 3.38.36 for the lower boundary to 2 decimal places, and the upper boundary by adding would be 83.69. So you would enter that as an open interval. So we would be 99.5% confident. Our confidence interval for estimating the population mean is between 38.36 and 83.69.